Hey guys, Adventure Man here. My wife and I are going to do a short day hike, about 4 miles round trip to V Lake, and then tomorrow we're hitting the trail to do the Cirque of the Towers in Wyoming in the Wind River Range via the Fremont Lake Trail. So that is what we're doing, and we're about to hit the trail, and it is about 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock. So. And we just started the trail like a minute or two ago, and we're coming up to a sign here. Apparently V Lake and Meeks Lake have cyanobacteria, so you can't touch the water, can't even filter it. But we're not staying there. But we are going to V Lake to check it out. Dad's Lake, 6 miles. Big Sandy Lake, 6 miles. Okay, cool. There's a stream down here. Nothing super pretty yet, but it is nice. It's in the 50 degree, I think, but it doesn't feel like it at all. Probably feels like in the 70s at least, but the high is supposed to be like 71, and no chance of rain, allegedly. We all know how that goes. If you've seen my other videos, yeah, they say that, but that is not necessarily what happens. But yep, so we're gonna keep moving on. So Meeks Lake should be right past these trees. Couldn't see it from the trail because of how dense this place is. I do see it. I got another story to tell you in a little bit. Makes me laugh. Involves a grizzly. But here is Meeks Lake. Not the prettiest lake, that is for sure. But I have now seen a new lake that I have not seen before. Yep. Kind of brownish. Hello, dragonfly. This is one of the lakes that has a cyanobacteria, so we're not even supposed to touch the water. So, yep. Alright, so here comes the trail sign. We just recently left Meeks Lake, where I think you could actually see the cyanobacteria, but I have to look it up to be sure. But it was like cyan colored and on the bottom, and some of it was floating, and we met somebody who apparently drank from the water, not realizing. So I'll have to look up and see what that might do to you, because I have no idea. Okay, so we're going to V Lake, so we're taking the right branch. Tomorrow we're going to Marms Lake, so we will be taking the left branch. So I just caught my first glimpse of V Lake, and you will too here in just a minute. This trail should come down right next to it, allegedly. But I can see it through the trees, and maybe you can too. So it is right here. I'm just looking for a place where I can actually get out on the shore. Might have to go around it a little bit. Oh wait, I think I see a little trail here that people have taken, so we'll try that. Not a huge shore, but hey, it's something. The other side has a much bigger shore, but you have to travel a little bit further. Oh, gross looking there. What do you think, Beth? Here, or do you want to go around to where there's all that grass? Okay, so we didn't make it all the way to the grass side, but we found a nice little area here to sit down, and rest, and observe the view. Yeah, I think this will do nicely. Okay, so we are leaving the lake, and we are headed back down to the trailhead. It is a little afternoon. Let's see, about 12:10. Hike wasn't too hard at all. Earlier in the hike, so I had been hearing like a couple minutes prior you know, branches breaking or something. I'm already on high alert because I know that this is grizzly country and stuff. And so I'm looking around and I'm going up the trail and I see a brown back going across, you know, just above a log. And I immediately think, oh my gosh, that's a grizzly. So I'm like, bear, bear, to Beth, and within a second I had already grabbed my bear spray. And then the deer popped its head up. And I saw that it was a stupid deer that I was just seeing the top of the back above a log. But I thought for sure that was a grizzly, and it was closer than I would have liked, probably like 30 feet. So, yep. But there's been a couple deer that I've seen here, and so far they look really healthy. Healthy and good weight on them. And tomorrow we hit the trail and into the Bridger-Teton wilderness in Wyoming, doing the Cirque of the Towers trail, which is about 23 miles round trip, I think. And yep, so we'll be doing that and coming out a few days later and hopefully get to see a grizzly in the daytime. That'd be cool. So, yep, that's it for now. Alright, we're coming back out of the forest into some meadowy area again, or at least grassy area. It's all dead. But we've mainly been going through forested area, so not a whole lot to see. I mean, how many trees do you need to see before you're tired of the video? So that's why I'm just filming here. I'd say we're about halfway back, and it is 12:35. I'm just kind of doing a leisurely pace. It is kind of smoky, but hopefully I'm praying that will blow out by tomorrow. That would be great. That'd be really great. So that's about it. Okay, so it is 1:21 and we are coming out at the trailhead from our day hike.